We live in very happy times with fun and family, all with natural and tasty bites. Happiness may just be a bite away with our Rawdah fresh chicken and high-quality processed meat products made from fresh chicken. Our Rawdah, the largest producer of 100% natural-fed fresh chickens and high-quality processed meat products in the UAE. With its commitment to hygiene and food safety, Al Rawdah has consistently strived to elevate the quality, value and safety of its food products for consumers across the UAE and other GCC countries. At the company's sophisticated facilities spread across a sprawling 538 hectares outside Dubai, over 45,000 birds are processed daily. To guarantee the quality and safety of its food products, Al Rawdah enforces strict international quality and production standards that are accredited by globally recognized bodies such as ISO and HACCP. From its ultra-modern hatchery, housing best standard imported hatching eggs from Cobb, Germany, a renowned supplier of quality eggs, to its state-of-the-art broiler farms, where the day-old chicks are nurtured with 100% natural feed. Al Rawdah's quality control and diagnostic laboratory specialists enforce stringent quality procedures. Currently, the company has 13 broiler farms with 6 broiler houses in each, with a combined production capacity of over 12 million broilers annually. Similarly, every production step is vigilantly supervised at the company's modern processing facility, where the month-old chickens are slaughtered under controlled conditions, strictly adhering to halal practices. The laboratory ensures throughout maintenance of all the biosecurity levels for the hatchery and broiler farms to produce safe and high-quality Al Rawdah products. Then, Al Rawdah's own fleet of vans distribute fresh chicken products to all leading supermarkets, hypermarkets, grocery stores, as well as hotels and restaurants. Al Rawdah prides itself on delivering 100% halal top-quality range of chicken products that are avidly sought after by consumers. After serving the local market with distinction, Al Rawdah has created its own Horeca department to cater to hotels, restaurants and cafes, delivering its signature fresh chicken and other high-quality meat products. Al Rawdah now has plans to expand to regional GCC markets, develop new products and diversify its customer base. Al Rawdah, reaching every home, touching every heart, bringing in happiness with every bite. Deliciously fresh.